60 minutes operating time. It's really less. Okay. Hey, you what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna, I don't know, not an unboxing, because this is an old clipper, so somebody just gave it to me, so wanted to throw it away. So I said, okay, let me just take a look. Okay, it's written here, got stagger tooth, and here it's not stagger tooth. I don't know if maybe the guy changed it or not. This is Kemei with the model number 2600, you know. Okay, and the charging cable, it's exact the same like wall. Got 4 guards and a little brush somewhere, I don't know. So it's not a new one. You hear that? He was using it. No. So okay, the specs of this clipper is not written on the box. Nothing, just 60 minutes operating time, you know, that's it. And before I can do anything, so let me check the RPM first, you know. Okay, 5,500 RPM. It's not that fast. Got a taper blade, free lever, and the range. It's okay, it's good. Okay, just like Magic Clip. I mean, not Magic Clip, Wall Super Taper. Okay, let's open it up and see what it got inside. And it doesn't have a wall cam follower. Okay. And this is not a stagger tooth. But got a base for wall cam follower. I guess wall cam follower can fit. I guess so. Take this one out. Okay, that's fall out. So I wanna see what type of motor they've got inside. Okay. Okay. Okay, not bad. So it's a 2,200. Okay.